Yeah, hi, good afternoon all. Good afternoon, Peter. Good afternoon, Lasanga. Good afternoon, beloved. Good afternoon, Rafael. Good afternoon, Christian. Good afternoon, Abraham. We could just wait for a minute for the others to join. Is that okay? Good afternoon, Simon. Good afternoon, Jimmy. Good afternoon, Manza. Good afternoon, Adamu. Yeah, I'm doing good. I hope you're do good. Okay, shall we start? Same, we'll start from the yesterday's topic. Okay. From the allegations and mixtures with the continuity of the ratio. I'm giving you now two questions in that topic. Once you've done, then yes, we can go on with the next. Is that okay? Yes. Okay, that's good. I'm giving you with the options. Oh, sure. Oh, yeah. Can you see me now? That's great. Okay. Can start now? Okay, that's great. I'm going to share my screen. One, two, three. Hello, Nilofer. Hello, Syed. I'm giving you 2 minutes for the first question alone. First try that, then I'll explain you, then we'll go on with the next question. Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jim. Shall I solve the first question? Are you still trying? Shall I solve the first question? Shall I try the first question? Yeah, okay. So the first one, as we did yesterday, the same thing, but here there are three. Okay. The T is 126 per kg, 135 per kg, and with the third variety, we don't know that. So that is ratio is 1:2:3. If the mixture is worth 153. So the first variety is 126 per kg. So let's say the ratio is 1. So it is just X. You get it? So second one is also 1. The weight is also 1. So I'm taking it as X, the ratio. This is X, X, and this is 2X. Okay. So X into 135. And the third variety, let's say that is 2X. Got it, right? So that is 2X into, we don't know the price. Okay, so understood with the first equation. So ratio of one part, or I can write it as part. Okay, let's say we don't know. So the weight, I'm going to write it as price, I'm going to write it as Y. Did you get it? I'm writing it in X for the ratio, and for the weight, what is missing, I'm writing it as Y. So I'm re-explaining it. There are three types of tea. The first one is 1, second one is 1 kg, third one is 2 kgs. The first one is sold for 126. The second one is sold for 153. Sorry, 135. And the third one is sold for price we don't know. Let me have it as Y. These things are ratio, so I'm taking it as 1x, 1x, and 2y, 2x. So if you're taking only as 1, 1, and 2, it's okay. That is also fine. So these three things are added and finding the average. So the weight is 1:1:2. So 1x plus 1x plus 2x is giving me 4x. Okay, 4x would be the weight. That's equal to, when I mix all these three together, the price will be 153. The mixture is worth 153. Okay, now find the Y value. That's all is the question. Are you clear with that? Sure. I'm explaining it again. Okay. There are three varieties of tea. The first variety weight is 1x. That means ratio is 1. Second variety ratio is 1. So I'm taking it as 1x. So these are the weights in kilogram. In the ratio, they're mixed in the ratio. So in the kilogram, kg, 1 kg, and 2 kg. These are their ratio. It can be 2 to 4 or 4 to 8, whatever it is. That's their ratio. Okay, so I'm taking it as the weight as 1x because it can be anything. 1x, yes, and 2x. In the place of x, okay, so 1x, 2x. The price over here, the first one is 126. The price of the second one is 135. The price of the third one, the third variety, we don't know. So I've taken it as y. Mixing them in the kilogram, 1x, 1x, 2x. The ratio, 1 plus 2. That is 4. Since I'm taking it in ratio, I'm taking it as 4x. Got it? Ani, are you clear now? Ani Adamu, Nilofer? I understand Adamu, that's fine. Okay. Just try now to follow. Is that okay now? Are you getting it? Okay. So three varieties, 1, 2, 3. First variety 1 kg, second variety 1 kg in ratio, third variety is 2 kg. Price of the first one 126, price of the second one is 135, price of the third one we don't know. All mixing together, the ratio part is 4x in kilograms. Okay, so when I mix everything together, the price is 153. That means the average price is 153. Now we want to find for the y value. Okay with that? Yes or no? So if I don't take this as x, if I simply take it as 112, that is also okay. Since that's a ratio part, in the next concept, you should not get confused why there is no x. That's what I've taken here also. Okay, so 1x, 1x, 2x, 4x in the bottom, and 1x into 126, 1x into 135, and 2x into y. So that is 126x plus 135x plus 2xy. X I can take it common out to simplify. We'll do that in the last stage. So if you don't take that x, it's okay, but still I'm taking that. Reason for you not to get confused. Equals to 153. Now cross multiply. Got it right? So here x, x. I'm taking it common and writing it outside as x. So that x will get simplified over here with the denominator. Got it right? It's just a simplification. Find the y value by cross multiplying 4 to the other side. 153 times 4 and 126, 135 plus 2y. Okay. And find what is the y value. What is 153 into 4? 170.5. Okay, any other answer? 38.25, no. 153 into 4. 4 into 3, 12. 5 for the 20. 3, 1, 2, 4 into 4, 5, 6 equals to 126, 135, 100, 200, 150, 156, 156, 161, 161 plus 2y. So taking this to the other side, so 2y equals to 612 minus 160. So 512, 512 minus 60, 512. 500 minus 50, 450, 452 minus 1. Okay, 451. 161 minus 6, 1, 2. So 1, 11 for 5, 5, 1, 4. Yeah, 451. Can you check it once? Is there my calculation somewhere missing? Oh yeah, 261. Okay. Then minus 100. 261. 5 minus 2, 351. Yeah. Calculated, Annie. So 351 divided by 351. So 170.5. Yes, it is 175.5. Yes, the third one. Okay. $175.5. Shall we go with the next question? Shall we go with the next question? Any doubts with this question? Any doubts? Next one. A dishonest milkman professes to sell his milk at the cost price, but he mixes the water and thereby gains 25%. Yes, he is a dishonest man. He's mixing water and selling the milk. The percentage of water in the mixture. Same percentage concept. Profit is 125. Okay, 100 plus 25, 125. Then how much is the milk is being mixed? You have to find out. The same percentage concept. If you want, you can do it in this allegation mixture concept. We don't know how much water he mixed, but he is getting 125%. That's all. Milk 100%. Water we don't know. We have to find it. So milk plus water, again, how much to be mixed we don't know. Yet we are getting 125%. That means 25% gain. I'm taking it for 1 liter milk. So 100, it costs 100. So water mixed in that 1 liter, we don't know how much it is, so I'll take it as 1 W. So here the same thing, the weightage is same, it's of 100%, and the water, how much it's been mixed, we don't know. But we have one thing sure, so that is he is gaining. Okay, he is gaining 25. So if a person is gaining 25%, the other person will lose how much? If a person is gaining 25, the other person is losing how much? If a person is gaining 1/4, the other person will lose how much? If a person is gaining 1/4, the other person will lose how much? Same percentage concept. Yes, 1/5. That's nothing but 20%. Got it, right? Okay, now let's go on based on the percentage concept for this question. Yes. Now let's say it is 1 liter. Okay, or let us say 1000 ml. 1000 ml is equals to 100%. He used to sell for 100. Now what happens? He is mixing water, okay, and he is making a profit, and thereby he gains 25%. He's selling the same 1 liter, that means 1000 ml, but there is water also added, and he is getting 125 for this. When 1000 ml is 125, what is 100? That's all is the question. Did you get that? If 1000 ml is 125, I want to know what is the water added. So that is into 100. So that is 4/5. So I have sold, he's selling only pure milk 800 ml. He's selling pure milk only 800 ml. That means 200 ml loss. Right? He's getting only, the person who buys, he's buying only 800 ml. Okay, remaining 200 ml is water. Remaining 200 ml water. 200 ml water. So what happens? How much is this in percentage? We have to find. So already 1000 ml. So 200 ml is water out of 1000 ml. So that is how many percentage? That is 20%. Did you get that? So he is losing 20% milk. Did you get that? Clear with that? Yes. Okay. Yes, Mainza, can you let me know where is the trouble exact? You can unmute yourself, Mainza. Mainza can unmute yourself. Mainza. Okay, it's fine. Just let me know where is your doubt exactly. Let me try to help you out. He is mixing water. Is that true or false? He is mixing water. Is that true or false? True. So he is mixing water with that. So let's say that we don't know how much water is mixed. We know the gain alone. Okay. In spite of 1000 ml, he has to get 100% of money, but he is getting now for 1000 ml 125% of money. That means pure milk is reduced. The percentage of water in the mixture is the question. Got it right? If now 1000 ml is 125 percentage, we are finding what is exactly for the 100 percentage. If 1000 is for 125 percentage, what is for 100 percentage? We came to know it is 800 ml. So when I say there is only 800 ml, so how many ml is being lost? 200 ml lost. The 200 ml is how many percentage? That is 20 percentage. Did you get that? The 200 ml is 20 percentage. Are you getting it? Roughly, you have to calculate 1000 divided by 125 into 100. We have to simplify. In 25th table, 100 is for 4, 125 is for 5. And 1000 into 4, 4000, 4000 by 5 is 800. Okay, it's you have to calculate mathematically. Yeah, that's great, Peter. So 800 ml means 200 ml loss. So 200 by 1000 out of 1000 ml. When I say how much is the 200 ml, that is 20 percentage. So he is losing 20 percentage of pure milk. That means 20 percentage water is added. Clear with that? One liter is equal to 1000 ml. Jackson, mathematical. 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. Yes, it's a sample. So I'm taking it out of 1 liter. So that converting it, I don't want it in decimal. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. You want to change the question as 35 percentage? Okay, so here comes the 35 percentage. First find the fraction. I'll tell you the answer. Then we will solve the question. So 35 by 100. So in the fifth table, it is 7 by 20. Okay, so that means the loss is 7 by 27. Got it? Rifle. So 7 by 27 is how many percentage? So 7 by 27 into 100. So that gives me of 25.9 percentage. So into 100. Approximately it is 26 percentage approximately. Got it? So the loss is 26 percentage. Raf, you'll see these things they have already done at the beginning of the class. So everybody would know the answer, how to calculate it. The explanation part, it's up to you. So if you say 35 percentage profit, 26 percentage loss, it's exactly is 25.9 percentage loss. 25.9 percentage loss. Okay, so the dishonest milk brand proposes to sell his milk at the cost price. You said you want it for 35. So I would take 1000 ml is equal to the profit was 35. So that is equal to 135. But rough you're going to calculate it. I hope you can calculate it faster. So 1000 ml divided by 135 into 100. You're going to find how many ml loss. Roughly you'll find how many ml it is loss. He's supposed to sell 1000 ml equals to 100, but he's selling 1000 equals to 135. So you get 74.0. Okay, 74. That means 740 ml loss. Yeah. So 740 ml loss. So the remaining is 700, 800, 900, 260. 260 out of 1000 ml. That means it's 26 percentage. I'm taking approximation. Okay, into 100. So it is approximately 26 percentage loss. Got it right? If I take this as 170.70, then I'll get here exactly 250 or 9 point something. Okay, 0.25. Okay, 25. Then I'll get it as 25.925 percentage. That's all. Everyone understood, right? Shall we go on with the next one? Rafael has to refer to the topic called percentage. Maybe it has been taken before 2 weeks. You have the shortcuts over there. So once you take a look on that, then these questions will become very easy for you. Yes, Rafael. Any doubts? Okay, good. Shall we go on with the next one? Shall we go on with the next? Great. So now, certain topics, I think test is pending. Averages, we have to take on. Next is these mixed questions that we'll see on partnership questions. Yes. Okay, partnership we have done, I hope. So average. Average. Okay, first I'm giving you an easy level, and then let's see if you do that good, then I can give you more. Yes, ready? One, two, three, go. Most of you have given 39 as the answer. Anybody still doing it? I'll give you some time. 39. Okay. Okay. Shall I mark it? Done. Shall I mark it? See, it's so easy. Six numbers average is 48. One number was removed, and now the average remaining is 49. We did the same question. Lots of average questions based on the same. Six numbers average is 48. 6 into 48. Okay, one number removed. That means five numbers. Five numbers into 49. Find it, subtract it. That would be the answer. You get it? -288 minus 24. So it gives me 43. Somebody said it was not clear. Now is it clear? Christian, Adamo, Christian and Adamo, Christian and Adamo. Okay, Christian. Okay. Not much. That question is a direct question. Not much to do with any other method. Simple. Find the total value and subtract it. Otherwise, you can do the standard method. Like 6 into 48 minus x whole divided by 5 equals to 49. This would be the other method. Very good. Yes, the person was removed, so his average has come up That means the person who left, his weight is less. Very good, Adamu. Three 44 divided by 4. Shall I mark it or anybody still solving? Fine, fine, do it. Got the answer. Shall I mark it 55? Shall I mark it? Anybody still solving? Shall I mark it? Shall I mark it? 55. No. Okay, we'll check at the last. I'll explain you. We cannot go back. So when it comes for the last, I'll explain you. Okay, it's okay. We'll do it. We'll do it. No worries. Caroline averaged 14 points per game over 6 games. What was the total? Per game 14. What was the total? 6 fours are 24. 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 84, not 88. Mine's check it. That's okay. So, okay, start with the next question. So they want to maintain how much? Hope for an A for the final A average in the math. To receive an A, he needs to have an average of 95 or higher. Going into his sixth and the final exam, he already have an average of 96. What code does he need to attain on the sixth test to secure an A? Why not 95? He's already having 96. Why not 95? I'm marking 100 as of all your answers. Okay, see, because already it is 96, they want it to be 95. What's the minimum mark he has to score? Got it right? We'll work on the two questions which were wrong. No worries. Keep doing. Yeah, they never asked for the full mark. They asked it should be an A grade, that is 95. Good. Again, an easy one. Yeah, the next. I'm marking it. See, the same as the wrong question which you did the last time. So 4 marks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus X. This time don't make a mistake. 4 tests plus 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 X whole divided by 5. That's equal to 89. Okay, find that X. So what should be her fifth test so that she gets 89? So 4 tests. So it is 97 plus 92 plus 85 plus 82 plus X divided by 5 equals to 89. Can I mark at 93? No option. Okay, 89. Okay. So which one should I choose? 1 or 2? Card 1, card 2. The mistakes what we made. 2. I also guessed for 2. Okay. See here, he needs an A. To attain an A, how much he needs? That's the question. Okay. So going to be sixth test, he already have an average of 96. So 96 for 5 tests. He's getting into the sixth test. We don't know how much it should be. X. So I'm marking 50-50. So just to get a confidence for you. Activated. Okay. Let's see the power works. So divided by 6 tests, that's equal to the score should be 95. Got it right? So what is the X value? Mine's the explanation was good. So that one more question which was wrong. Let's work on that. You're on the second. That's okay. Yeah, this is the question. Let's check why is this the answer. A group of 9 players had an average of 55 kg. When the coach added the weight of average went up to 72.125, what was the coach's weight? The group of 9 players had an average of 55 kg. So 9 into 55. When the coach is added, you don't know the coach weight, that is X, is added, total 10 members went up to 72.125. So when the new member came in, the average increased. So already it was 55. Okay. And now it has become 72 as an average. So how much is added? So cross multiply it into 10. So 7 to 1.25. That's equals to X into 9 into 55. 5 nines are 45. 45. 49. Subtracting at 0.25. Went up to, okay, 5 plus 9, 49. Anything wrong with that? 99. Oh, 9 into 55. Yeah, 495. That's correct. Good space. Okay. 5, 11, 4, 6. 6 and 1, 10, 2. So yes, 226.25. Okay, I'll tell you what was wrong over here. Okay, so it's 155 times 9. Okay, yeah, 226 is the weight. 72 increased. 17 kilograms increased. 55 plus 17. It's an average. Yeah, we can just leave it. We can skip it. It's okay. So what we got is correct. 226.25, which should be the answer. It doesn't match. No worries. Okay, shall we go on with the next one? Yeah, there was some changes in the question. I'll just sort it out. What was that? Okay, it will be 226.25 as the answer. Shall we go on with the next one? Yes. Fifth question. Can you tell me the question? I'm sharing the screen again. You say fifth. 2. 3, 4, 5. Is this a question you're talking about? Christian? Ah, so simple. That is question number 5. Zooming, not much possible. Can you try to do with your screen with your hands? Yes, you will be able to do it. If you are using a phone, yes, you will be able to zoom it. And in the laptop, I'm not sure. Can I zoom this? Okay. This is a question. This is the fifth question. It is written therefore from the first. This is the fifth question. Okay. So in this question, so let's say 344 points. The last test 4 matches. Not this. Then which one? Number 5. Check it. This question, no, not this. This question, that's great then. You can put it up and now with your calculation, we'll check it. Is this a question, Christian? Okay, just check it. This is question number 5, but not the fifth question from the test. It's a random number, but this is called as question number 5. Okay. Jim made 7 trips in his new car. On the first 3 trips, he traveled 50 miles each. So that means total you would have traveled for 3 trips, would have traveled 150 miles. First 3. On the middle one, we don't know. So that's an X. Plus last 3 trips, it is 60 miles. So that is 180. The middle trip we don't know. That's an X. Okay. So on the 7th trip, he traveled 55 miles. What was his average? The next 3 is okay. So let's say the 7th trip is this. He traveled 55. Okay, so 150. Next 380, and the last one was 55. So I have to multiply into 3 because it's given each trip was 50. So 3 into 50, 150. 3 trips, each 60. So 3 into 60, 180. And the last trip is 55. So just 55. So 150 plus 55 plus 180 whole divided by 7 equals to the answer. Clear with that, Christine? 100, 200, 280, 300, 330, 330, 353, 330, 380, 385 by 7. Okay, so that gives you 3555 as the answer. Okay. Okay, shall we go on with the next one? Shall we go on with the next? Fine, Adamu. So they did not say for one test. Total 6 tests were taken, Adamu. I'm just sharing the screen again. It was not one test. Look carefully. Sixth test and the final exam. Sixth test and final exam. Okay, Adamu, are you clear now? It's not just first test, second test. Sixth test. That means for 6 tests, the average is 95. So 6 into 95. Did you get it? So 6 tests already has written. So 6 into 95. Seventh test, we don't know the mark, but they're asking how to maintain it as 95 itself. He already has an average of 96. So for 6 tests, let me say it is 96. So for 7 tests, he needs to get 95. Okay, this one, what is the minimum requirement? That's all. That is why we multiply 6 into 96. Is that clear? This is the question we got wrong. This is the question we marked it as 90, 100 at the beginning. Yes, doesn't mean that is correct. Yeah, this is the wrong question. This was the question we made mistake. Got it. But they want the minimum as 95. So seventh person should be minimum, he should get 90. So that is getting the average as 95. Okay, fine. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? So the left out topics are very simple. Ages and arithmetic propagation, both are easy. So no worries. Fine. I'll give you the beginning of the question. I'll give you now some questions to do. Once you do it well, then yes, we'll get into the next one. Ready? To start with the topic called ages. Yeah, I'll give you. See, those topics are not much in your exam, related questions alone. So I'll give you more questions, no worries. Can you see the question? This is called ages, which is a mixture of, I'm giving you with a mixture of averages, sorry, and ratio topic, but this can be without that also. Okay. Yes, you have to do the above. Read the questions and then I'll tell you how to do it. Very easy ones. Good. Shall I solve the first question? Or is that okay? Can you try it? Still trying. Okay, I'll make with the first question alone, and then you can try with the rest. Is that okay? Okay, the first one, the ratio between the ages. Okay, so the ratio between A and B is 6:7. Okay, so the ratio between A and B is 6:7. So A by B equals to 6/7. Now, if B is 4 years older than A, so B is 4 years older than A. So as per the ratio, which concept? Rule 1, total parts equal to total amount. Rule 2, difference of part equal to difference of amount. Rule 3, individual parts equal to individual amount. Which rule to apply over here? I hope you remember. In ratio, we learned about 3 rules. In the ratio topic, when we began, we learned about 3 rules. Which rule to apply over here? B is B minus A equals to 4. So when I say B minus A equals to 4, and the ratio of A and B are given, which rule it is? That's good. Which rule it is? Rule 1, total marks equal to total ratio parts, or total amount equal to total parts. Yes. Rule 2, difference of both equals to difference of ratio. What is the difference of their ratio? It's 1. So 7 parts minus 6 parts equals to 1 part. Now 1 part is 4. But the right difference between them age is 4. So what will be the ratio of their ages after 4 years? Now first let's find now what's the age. 6 into 4, 24. 4 into 7, 28. Now after 4 years they're asking what's the age. So I'm adding 4 for both. So that becomes 28 by 32. So their ages are 7/8. So that is 7:8. Yes, it's none of these. 7:8. Data inadequate means where you cannot find, but here you can find it. The answer not there in the option. The answer is 7:8. Are you clear with the first one? Are you clear with the first one? That's great. Shall we try with the second one? See now, second one without using pen. Try it out. The ratio between two ages, Karthik Prashant, 4:3. After 6 years, Karthik's age is 26. Then what is his percentage? What is his percentage? If after 6 years, Karthik is 26, what's the percentage? So it is said here, after 6 years, Karthik's age is 26. What's the percentage? Percentage is 20. Yes, Karthik is 20. What is the ratio of parts? 20 by 4. 20 by 4 is 5. Individual parts equal to individual ratio. Rule 3. Got it right? Rule 3. So 20 by 4 is 5. 5 into 3, 15. Percentage of Prashant is 15. There's nothing to solve if you can understand the concept well. Just like that, you can do it. I hope you're clear with that. I hope you're clear with that. We'll go on with the next question. Question 215, Jackson. It's 4:3. After 6 years, Karthik's age is 26. Then 26 is the age 6 years after. So right now his age is 20. So as per the ratio, third rule, it is this is equals to 20. If 4 parts equal to 20, then 1 part equals to 5. If 1 part is 5, then 3 parts is 15. So this is the first person, Karthik. This is the second person, Prashant. So the Prashant's age is 15. Got it right? Any doubts with the second question? Any doubts with the second question? Shinini, thank you very much. So we'll go on with the next one. Shall go on with the next one. Yes. Okay. The father is 2 times as old as his daughter. Father equals to 2 times his daughter. Next, 2 decades ago. 2 decades ago means how many years? 2 decades ago means how many years? 20 years, yes. Before 20 years, father minus 20, daughter minus 20. Father was 12 times the age of the daughter. So before 20 years, father was 12 times the age of the daughter. The current age of the father is father equals to 2 times the daughter. Write it over here, 2D. So 2D minus 20 equals to 12D minus 240. That means daughter. I'm finding for the daughter. Now, taking this to the other side, that becomes 220. That's equals to this over the other side, that's 10D. So daughter equals to 22. Daughter is equal to 22. Now, what's the current age of the father? Father is 44 because father is 2 times the daughter. So daughter is 22, writing it over here, the father is 44. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay. Shall we go on with the fourth question, or I would like you to try once? So can you try with the fourth question? I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. Read it, give a try. Right or wrong doesn't matter. We can give a try. Is that okay? Exactly. Forming the equation meets the question. Just think of, we have done algebra topic, how to form the equations. If you could remember that, now it would be easy. So do the last one. Hardly. We have 4 minutes. Jackson, I hope it is in the month of July. You will get the notification, Jackson. Okay, the present age of the father is 3 times more and 3 times the age of the son. Present age of the father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of the son. 3 years hence. That means from now, after 3 years, um, it's almost 6 p.m. Annie, it's 3 more minutes for 6 p.m. And father will be son also after 3 years. 3 years hence, father's age will be 3 years hence, father's age will be 10 years more than twice the son's age. Okay, so 3 times son plus 3 over here. So 3 times son plus 6. I'm substituting in the place of father the son's equation. 3s plus 3. So next 2s plus 6. 3 into 2, 6 plus 10, 16. And this is over here 10. So son is 10. When son is 10, the present age of the father, 3 into 10, 30 plus 3, 33. The father is 33. Nabila Okabakonta Milo. What do you mean by that? I don't understand, Jimmy. Okay. You got it. Okay. Right. Got it right. Any doubts with the last question? No doubts. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Any doubts for the day? Okay. Great. So let's catch up on Saturday. Hopefully, we would be meeting on Saturday. Got it right. So that would be on 27th. You want to see the screen? Oh, sure. Here it is. The written part. No. Thank you very much, Abraham. The Saturday's topic you will be doing with ages and arithmetic propagation, AP, ranking order, directions. We are going in the order. After ages, it will be AP, then the ranking order. Salinip, thank you. Lasango, thank you very much. African Republic Day is today. Teoveka, thank you very much for your information. So that's on 25th May. Okay, that's great. You will be there for your exam on that day. So to miss, okay, Francis. Okay, but still follow on the YouTube. Thank you very much for sharing the attendance, Abraham. That's fine, Annie, but still please do follow with the YouTube. Okay. Thank you, beloved. Thank you very much. Let's catch up. Thank you, Simon. Thank you, Christian. Thank you. I would be there. No worries. Munro Karma, don't worry. Thank you very much. Munro Karma, thank you. Zambian legends. Okay. YouTube link. Yeah, I'm sending you the YouTube link. Here it is, Jackson. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you very much. Thank you, Francis. Good night. Did you get it, Jackson? Jain code. I don't understand the exact code what you're asking for. Jain code. I'm not sure what the code you're asking for. Jackson, can you make it clear? Okay, that's fine. Okay, have a great day, all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Let me check it, Jackson. I will update you. I'm not sure with what is the code. I'll ask and I'll update you. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you very much. Thank you, Jackson. I'll update you with the next class. I'll check it and update you. No worries.